Today I'm going to show you an easy way to change the name of your Facebook page. Let's jump in. So I'm on my iPhone here, have my Facebook app open, and all we want to do is go down to Menu down in the bottom right hand corner and click on that. And then up at the top, you just want to select the page that you want to change. So I'm just going to go to Entertainment Pics. It's going to switch to that profile here. And then we just want to go back into the menu, the bottom right hand corner. And then we just want to scroll down to Settings and Privacy, click on that, and then click on Settings. Now you want to scroll down again till you see Page Setup. Just click on that. And then at the very top, you'll see Name, which is your current name. And if you click on that, then all you have to do is type in here what you want the new name to be. So let's say I want to call this ePics. So we're going to click Done. Now you can click on Review Changes, and it'll show you what the current page name is, what the name change you want it to be. And the key thing to remember here, and it gives you a warning at the top, is that once you change the name of your page, you can't change it again for 60 days. So this sort of gives you the opportunity to make sure you review it, make sure everything is spelled correctly, it's exactly what you want it to be, before you click on Submit for Approval, and then it will change the name. You have to submit it for approval because obviously there's certain, you can look at the terms and conditions to make sure that you're following the guidelines of what you can name your pages to and what you're not allowed to name your pages to. I think it's a little bit of common sense, but you want to make sure that you have all of that confirmed and exactly the way you want it, and click Submit for Approval. There is an approval stage where it has to make sure that your name meets within the guidelines of Facebook. And then once it's approved, it will change your name. And in some cases, it may even notify your friends or followers of that page that the name has changed. If you're in my case, which I don't want to change my name, all you have to do is back out of that and the name will not be changed. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.